So hi mga Kalaminians, nataron sa buffet 101 dayo. Oh, dahil Kalaminian na dire.
Hello.
So hi. So yan, ako pa explore ron unsay naa na ron sa buffet 101.
Enjoy.
Okay, bye. So tanaw na to unsay naa ron dire. It's been a while. Of course, there's a Japanese station there. All right, you have sashimi there, of course. They have a tempura station here. Wow, we have a tempura. And of course, they have their yakitoris, the barbecue. And of course, sukiyaki. Then we go here to the Chinese station. The dim sum, the fried bread, the kropek, the peanuts, and of course the other dim sum specialties. Plus, of course, ang ilang hot dishes with the yang chow fried rice, the lumpia Shanghai, o ilang live na swahe ba? May mga swahe o. Oh, swahe. So ato sa i-explore on sa nadre o sa tamang sugod o kaon, mga lechon, kawali, first the veggies, soya chicken, and they have dugo, bulalo soup, and of course tuyok po kita dire. So we have the kinilaw station, the salad station, and yeah, mandarin oranges. Oh, linggo ng wika deron. So mga na, so they have salads here. We have here will be like the international place. We have or sandwiches, shawarma station here, there. There's a soup. There's, of course, there's a grill station here, seafood, and this is their carving station here. They have roasted beef there. Roasted pork loin, lechon, roasted chicken. Amazing. And let's go back into this side with the hot dishes. So enjoy kayo. So nindot kayo this buffet 101 because of course there's so many. The selection is over 101 dishes most likely. Pero grabe. It's been a while since I've been back here for their drinks. You can have coffee, you can have soft drinks, you can have beer. But here on this side we have the fruits. They have pomelo, they have watermelon, oranges, pineapple, halo with ice cream. Amazing. And you can have mango shake there. And then they have desserts. Different colors, pancakes, crepes, more. So wow. So what's our buffet strategy here? Probably we'll start with Japanese and some dim sum. And of course we shouldn't miss the carving station. And we have to leave room for desserts and some grill. So yes, it's gonna be an awesome dinner, guys. It's really one of the busiest buffets here in the city. And a lot of foreigners and locals coming here alike. So yes guys, when was the last time you've been here? Let me know. Malinga mo dito sa buffet 101. And they're here for the birthday people. Happy birthday, Junel. Happy birthday, Ray. Yes, yeah. So guys, yes, this is one of the one of the busiest buffets in the city. Not affordable, but the selection is just awesome as well. It's time to eat, guys. Ang mga amigo gikan sa Lembes to, mga eh. And by the way, this dinner is courtesy is brought to you by Lembes Cebu. Bago lang nag-open of branch doon sa Cebu City. Nanasay do ka branch, di ba? Sa Cebu City. Oh, nanawara. Wala na mga nagada sa Lembes to. Congratulations na nanagid mo sa Cebu City. Oh, by the way, nana sila sa Katipunan, guys, o sa Tejero, guys. And ugma, nana sila sa Mandaue, guys. So, mauna. Lembes. Mane ako mga kuyog ron. Hi. So guys, thank you so much for watching. And see you na sa among sunod na food trip by. And best na best, di ba?
The best.
Alright. Eat guys. So that's my Chinese plate, my Asian plate. Pagswahe, siopaw, and noodle soup. Bay lingawin ko kaon rin, kaya ba mo na? Ako din tapat mga YouTuber. Oo. How to last more than 45 minutes? Oh,
30 seconds.
Lago to, lago. So, sa kayo mo channel?
DIY.
Mga na ha eh. Subscribe tayo ha. Also, if you're watching and if you haven't subscribed to my channel, subscribe na. And if you see me here or anywhere, let me know para ma-appel ka sa akong video. See you guys. Bye-bye.